Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to set live wallpaper on iPhone. So right now I'll show you how you can easily use your custom or your own live photos to make a live wallpaper. First of all, let's capture a live photo. So go to your camera app on your iPhone, select photo and make sure the live photo option is turned on. Now all you have to need capture a live photo first. Okay, as you can see, I've successfully captured a live photo. Now I will use this live photo to make my wallpaper. So go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on wallpaper, tap on add new wallpaper, and here select live photo and select albums, and here tap on recents, or you can scroll down and tap on live photos, and here you will find all of your live photos you captured. Now all you have to need, select the live photo that you want to use to set a live wallpaper, and at the bottom left corner here you will see the live option currently is disabled. So we have to enable this live option. So tap on that to enable live photo option, and then here we can see the profile photo is moving because it's live. Now just tap on add, and I'm tapping on set as wallpaper pair, and that's it. This is how we can set live wallpaper on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.